Hello guys, Joshua here from Adventure Fitted Solutions. I want to show you this brand new 4Runner that we just completed, and I want to talk to you about the importance of upgrading your suspension and if it fits your needs. So let me show you exactly what we did on this 4Runner. We installed Dobinson IMS suspension with Delta joint Icon upper control arms with a Baja Boss AT tire. It's a 35 12.5 by 18-inch wheels from Method. And of course, on the rear, the IMS complete suspension, shocks and coils. Also, the extended swivel links. So as you can see here, this is the OEM coil, and this is exactly the coil that is installed on the 4Runner. As you can see, it's a way thicker material and has more coils than this. This will provide you more lift and will stand the weight better. If you're planning on doing a preload lift kit, you can get the same look and fit the same size of tires, and of course gain some clearance for off-roading. But if you're planning on doing an overland build, which a bumper is gonna be involved, winch, rooftop tent, all the extra weight, that's the moment that you gotta step it up to something heavy duty and more premium like this suspension. Another consideration you have to take in mind is the offset of the wheel. As you can see here on this particular vehicle, a plus 18 is the maximum that you can go, because when you flex on the trails, and I'll show it on the other side, you can see how much of a trouble we have here. But on this fender, you can see how the tire is not damaging the fender. If you go with something more aggressive, usually people like that stand to poke out a little bit more, but when you're actually doing off-roading, if you have an offset that is too negative, you will destroy your fender. So if you're trying to build an overland vehicle to travel across the country, or an off-road machine ready to hit the trails, or just a nice looking truck or SUV that you want to have some clearance to do some mild terrains, here in Adventure Fitted Solutions, we got the best advice according to your needs.